Okay, hello everyone. So I've been playing around with the second half SuccessFactors release, which just went into preview, and I know a big topic of conversation over the last year has definitely been on the updated people profile. And so one of the things that has been requested is for certain information, you want to see the technical names or external codes of fields, because while an employee definitely wouldn't care about this, for an admin, you could have multiple positions with the same type of name. And so being able to search by ID or see ID is very important. And so the way that this works is within settings. So if you're an admin, you can turn this on. You can go to people profile data display and you can do show external codes. So I know this is something that a lot of my more technical people and admins wanted, and it's nice to see that SuccessFactors delivered it. Thanks.